The RadEye G20 series instruments are excellent gamma servometers that are energy compensated according to a filter they are paired with.
The first thing you'll want to do is install the rubber sleeve over the detector.
Now, carefully install the main unit body sleeve. To change the batteries, remove the battery cover on the back. The use of a coin is recommended. Insert 2 AAA batteries according to the polarity markings in the inside of the battery well. Replace the battery cover. To turn the meter on, hold the down arrow button. Depending on your instrument, this button will either be labeled with on screen or key on. A long press of the key on button will result in locking of the control panel, so you don't accidentally press buttons or change settings while the instrument is in your holster. Pressing the top button or the mute button will deactivate and or activate audio. To enter the menu, press the menu button. With the up and down buttons, you can scroll through a number of settings that may be changed. To select a function that you'd like to change, press the menu button again. In this case, I'm going to change the display units. A check mark on something indicates that the respective parameters are active. Press the menu button again to activate another unit. To exit the menu, press the right arrow, or the mute button. The unit will now return to the main screen and be in the microsieverts per hour units. For accurate measurements, the RadEye G20-10 and G20-10 should always be in the microsieverts per hour setting. The RadEye G20 and RadEye G20-ER should always be in the micro-R per hour setting for accurate measurements. For your convenience, both units are accessible from all 4 meters. The user may elect to use the other unit, with the understanding that the measurements will never be quite correct. Though units can be switched, the type of dose being measured by the meter cannot be. It depends solely on the energy filter. Have fun RadEye G20-10 and see you next time!